Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the new L15 smartwatch. We will see what we have in the box and what we have in the software and do some tests, so stay tuned for that in our video. Let's begin here immediately with unboxing. You can see we have a very simple box, smartware, all black and very good graphite. Let's open up and see. Immediately it reveals the L15. You can see all the details and all the things that we'll see in the first look in a smartwatch. And underneath it we have the user manual and the charging cable. You can see very simple, like always, 2 points for charging, and we have the user manual in Chinese and English so we can understand it. So now we have here the L15. We can see 1.3-inch touchscreen, 2 buttons in the right side. Also we have a LED light. You can see when you turn it on it blinks to let you know that it's starting. We have 1.5 hours charging with magnetic, as well as we saw before. This is the first page. As you can see, we have a very good face into this smartwatch. The light powers on with this button, and this one powers it on. The screen, you can see up we have the QR code information, surge battery and brightness. Also we have time and date. We have a few levels of brightness, which is very good looking. In the left side we have the menu, find, stopwatch, timer, QR code, about, restore factory shutdown, and we have language. Down we will see the notifications. Right, we have sports, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen and ECG, and we have here the sports starting from running. Next we have walking, cycling, climbing, ping pong, badminton, basketball, skipping, and we have swimming, also yoga. So these are the things that we will see in the software. We also have to mention that this smartwatch has 370 mAh lithium battery, Bluetooth 5.0, and as you can see it's waterproof, so you can wear this if you are swimming. So let's do some tests with these options that we saw before. Let's start with the heart rate. You can see we have all the levels of the heart rate, all the way from the yellow to the red one, which is the top level for the heart rate. Also you can see last heart rate saved up at the bottom, which let us know which was the last heart rate. We have the first result before, you saw it, and now it's still measuring. Let's wait for the final result. So this was the final result. Let's see how the blood pressure will work. And again we have the last measurements. Also these measurements will be saved in the app, so we can check the statistic for that, and we will see that in the next video when we show you how to connect it with iOS and Android. So if you're interested in that, we will post it next day or later. So you can see it's still measuring and we don't have any result yet, which took a little bit, but as you can see now we have the result, which let us know that with this smartwatch works. It measures our heart rate, blood pressure, and after that we will see the blood oxygen, the percentage of blood oxygen. Again we have a very fast result, which is a little bit surprising. And now it's changing, which means it's still measuring, and that is surprising. The blood oxygen took way less time than the other two options. So this is the blood oxygen, and you can see the ECG doesn't work unless you are connected to the phone. You can see the sports, it works pretty good. We have here timing, steps, kilometer, burn calories, etc. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.